This video will demonstrate how to export shapefiles out of Sirrus for field boundaries, layers of data, the activity layers. So first thing I'll do is I'm going to come up here to the menu bar in the top left, the three little parallel bars. That slides over and I want to walk down to a field level to show you this at the field level view. And I'm going to go into one of my larger fields here for this grower. And at the field level, I'll come over here to the activities in the bottom right, which are my layers of data. So in my case, I've got soil samples that I can load up into the view. And with this being loaded into the view, it's got all the data in here with the results and everything. I'm going to go to the options in the top right, and I can export or send these out as an actual shapefile. So I'll select the shapefile option. And since I'm down at the field level and they're quite small, I could do this unzip. But if you had 100 fields and you're up at the grower level, you may want to zip those up. But this would give you the field boundary as well as the management zones to export out. You hit your upload arrow and it's going to ask, how do you want to send these out? Do you want to send these out via email? Do you want to save them to your notes page? Whatever the case may be for how you have your iPad set up or your mobile device. That's the way that you send out a shapefile of the soil test data. If I come back in here, I'll just cancel this and hit the back arrow on the top left and go up to a farm level. So I'll go back one level and I'll go to the bottom farm view, click in the map in the top right. And let's say I want to send a bunch of these field boundaries out. I could go to the activities in the bottom right, go to the upload, and I can do a shapefile. And I'm going to zip these up just because I'm going to send a bunch. I can send all the data types, which is the sampling, the field activities, fertility, or I can pick individually what it is that I want to send by just highlighting those. So as I scroll down through here, you see this for each one of these different fields. I'm going to go back here, and if I pick the field activities, I don't have any other activities beyond the actual soil test data. In this case, I'm going to send all data types, which I want to send all the boundaries, and you could select the ones that you wanted for the different fields and hit that upload arrow, and you're presented with the same screen as what you saw down at the field level, where you could send this out via email, send it to your notes, and then send it later on when you're back in the office with good internet connection. So that's how to send shapefiles of your activity layers as well as your field boundaries themselves as a shapefile out to anybody else via email or however else you might do that.